Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are doing part 2 on our Land Rover Discovery cleanup. As you can see, it's still got a lot of muck on it. We have a better pressure washer, which should help this outside cleanup go a lot quicker. And then we're going to move inside and check out all the things that are in there. There's a pile of stuff. I haven't gone through the vehicle at all, so I don't know what we're going to find once we move inside and start cleaning it up. But let's get started. That's most of the organic matter that was growing on the outside. We're going to move inside and check out what there is in there. There's a lot of junk to sort through, and then we're going to vacuum it out, clean it up, and see what we got to work with inside. So let's start on the back here. This back latch is broken. It doesn't want to work. But as you can see, there's all this kind of junk inside here, so we're going to start cleaning that out. Looks like we got a tool. That's always a score. This panel obviously goes up over here for the speaker, like on this side. I don't know why they were pulling speakers out, but oh well, they were pulling speakers out. But looks like we have all the pieces. Looks like another piece of the speaker. So yeah, I don't know if they were doing a sound system on it or something at some point, but the cargo covers there, the rear tire covers there. It's a bunch of other pieces. This looks like a cargo area rubber mat. So let's start cleaning out the back here. All right, so that's all the big stuff. The passenger door will not open, so that's kind of a pain. The back area is cleaned out, all the big stuff. We get the shop vac now, vacuum it all out, and then let's go see what we actually found in the car. So it looks like they were working on, we got an old Rover magazine. We have the shop manual, which has been, it looks like well used. Spare tire wheel cover, spare tire cover, some type of tool kit here, which looks like it's fairly old. We've got a new serpentine belt. We have another new Land Rover belt that looks like it's pretty worn out. So this may be the belt they took off. For some reason they decided to save it. And then we've got the speakers, some random interior trim pieces, the lug wrench, looks like a new oil filter, and the other jump seat. So all good stuff for the most part. Not too much went into the trash, just a lot of fishing hooks and just junk like that.